Building wealth is not just about making money, it's about making your money work for you. And today, I want to talk about a different approach to achieving financial freedom, one that goes beyond the traditional stocks and bonds. Hello, I'm Jonathan from Parent Portfolio, where we help people build wealth and improve their personal finances. And in today's video, we're going to explore the 7 powerful, low profile assets you can use to grow your wealth without drawing any attention. But before we begin, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And please hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. So when it comes to building wealth, many of us face a common challenge, and that's limited knowledge. We often rely on traditional investment methods, not because they're the most effective, but because they're familiar. We stick to what we know, even if it's not yielding the returns we want. Another challenge is the fear of taking risk. We're afraid to venture out of our comfort zones and explore new investment opportunities because we're worried about losing money. And then there's the issue of access. We often think that building wealth requires a lot of capital and that you need to be rich in order to start investing. But the truth is, building wealth is not just for the wealthy. It's for anyone who's willing to put in the effort and learn about the different opportunities available to them. We often get caught up in the get rich mentality and we expect overnight results. But building wealth takes time, patience, and discipline. It requires a long term perspective and a willingness to learn and adapt. And finally, there's the challenge of staying motivated. Building wealth is a journey, not a destination. It requires consistent effort and a commitment to staying the course even when the results aren't immediate. So, how do we overcome these challenges and build wealth secretly and effectively? The answer lies in diversifying our investments and exploring new and unconventional opportunities. So today, we're going to talk about 7 assets that can help you build wealth secretly and effectively. Number 1, peer-to-peer lending. Peer-to-peer lending involves lending money to individuals or businesses through online platforms and earning interest on your investments. Platforms such as Lending Club offer an innovative way to diversify your income streams. Historically, these platforms have delivered annual returns of 5 to 7%, making them a smart, understated addition to your financial toolkit. Number 2, real estate investment trust, or REITs. REITs allow you to invest in real estate without directly owning physical properties. So for those interested in real estate without the hassle of managing property, REITs are a smart choice. The National Association of Real Estate Investment Trusts reports an annual average of around 10%, allowing you to benefit from real estate without managing property directly. Number 3, crowdfunding. Crowdfunding is a method of raising capital by collecting small amounts of money from a large number of people, typically via online platforms like Kickstarter, GoFundMe, or equity crowdfunding sites like WeFunder and StartEngine. The nice thing is you can test business ideas without risking large amounts of personal capital. By investing in successful equity crowdfunding campaigns, you can start to own shares in early stage companies that may later go public or get acquired. Number 4, index funds and ETFs. Index funds track a particular market index and provide broad diversification and low fees. Data from Vanguard shows that over the long run, these investments have returned an average of 7 to 10% per year. They're a quiet, efficient way to diversify your portfolio, letting compound interest work behind the scenes while keeping your strategy under wraps. Number 5, tax liens. Tax lien investing is a strategy where investors purchase tax liens on properties from local governments. When property owners fail to pay their property taxes, the government places a lien on the property. To recover the unpaid taxes, the government auctions off the lien to investors. Interest payments on these tax liens provide a stream of income without needing to manage tenants or properties. Number 6, robo-investing. Robo-investing is an automated investment service that uses algorithms to manage your portfolio based on your financial goals, risk tolerance, and time horizon. Money compounds over time with little to no effort, making it an ideal long-term hands-off strategy. Number 7, maximizing your contributions. Maximizing contributions to tax advantage accounts like Roth IRAs or 401ks is essential for discrete wealth building. Fidelity reports that these accounts have been vital in growing wealth for millions. They allow you to benefit from tax breaks while keeping your financial moves private. So let's recap the key points about these 7 assets. They're unconventional, they're lesser known, and they're often overlooked. But they have the potential to provide significant returns and to help you build wealth secretly and effectively. Whether it's peer to peer lending, or REITs, or crowdfunding, each of these assets provide a unique opportunity to diversify your investments and achieve financial freedom. So, which one of these assets resonated with you the most? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give this video a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. And please hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our updates. Once again, thank you for your time, thank you for your support, and have yourself a great day. Bye.